everyone. Hello. Is there one and only Lady J? If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. Today's topic now about one lady where they come the beat for ground. They beat the girl. They say the girl go rob, the girl go thief something. I come they say what did the girl do with they beat her like this? They say she enter one kabu. Say the kabu, then they go send fake alert, go give somebody, you know. They begin they beat the girl. Like, what it make me want to do the video be say, no matter what the girl thief, like they not police not there. Wanna go hand over the girl too. Now for now to come they beat the girl, like seriously, you know caught for now. See the one that just they refund the girl, they beat the girl. That's not just good. What wanna do that girl? Eh? They just they beat the girl for ground, then they refund one. Like seriously, are you people kidding me right now? Now so they do one. They just they beat the girl for ground. They do the girl anything way they like. I just see the video. I not just like what they do the girl. What it thief? What did she do what they never do before? They just they beat so that they say make it pull the cloth. Like now nakedness on one can see now. That's in one that they do for Nigeria. Not good, eh? What did they get thief? What did she thief what they never do before? One that they beat her like that. What did she thief? Now take her easy now. The one that just they behave to that girl, not just good at all. Eh? I just see the video, not just they happy really. Like you're not good. You're not good. You're not good. Maybe they take law into our hands like that. No matter what the girl do, not be the one until they beat him. And this one I just stop this thing ever since. Before they'll just carry tire, put for the person head. I even hear when one they talk for there say, wait tire, may we put her for the girl head now. Are you people kidding me right now? And you carry tire put for the girl. What did the girl do? What did she do what they never do before? What did she do? Eh? That kind of thing not good now. I beg. One not the beat person human being like that again. I not say to thief you not good. What did the girl do you not good? But at least when I will take them easy. Like the one I just come to they do the thing like now I come they take law into our hands. Like seriously, it's not done that way. Eh? Not be so that they do something. I wanna take them easy. Just they beat the girl, the other one they slap the girl, the other one they beat her. When I know what to make and go thief. I would not know that condition where they are Nigeria there. To rob no good, fine, but at least when I will still take them easy. The one I just take do the girl, when I want naked down, and the other one they say wait tire. People should hand over her to police. We don't have police again for Nigeria. We get police now. What to make them be police? Not be to arrest people with thief. They will now go hand over the girl to them. They not be the one way una go just take law into una hands. Begin they beat the girl, begin they naked the girl, begin like seriously. You not done that way. I beg. Maybe they take things easy, really. Maybe they take things easy. The way they take law into our hands, eh? It's not good. It don't make sense. It don't make sense at all. What when I do that girl today, eh? I'm not just as in I'm not like when I do the girl. When I do the girl, I say she not get anybody to fight for her, you know. It's not good now. At least where would they see the reason things? Where would they do things sometimes? Just beat human be like that. Just they beat the girl. I say the girl want to wait the girl just thief way be say another person never do before, you know. I just shocked realized when I see the way people just the way they take beat the girl today. And it's not done that way. Eh? What I do to do, I'm not just doing away at all, really. I'm not doing away. Beat you might be like that. What did the girl do? Where people never do before? What did she do? What did she do where people never do before? When I just beat her like that. Like say, not be human be. At least now, maybe we see they take things easy, I beg my people. Maybe we see they take things easy if we do things. Oh, see the reason I say there is God. Oh. God is watching everybody. Eh? Now, when I come be the judge now, where they judge people, I be now they come say now they come make as judge. We be say now I come the judge people. We don't come get police again for that Nigeria now. We don't get police again now. Now I come be the police now. I be now I be the police now. Wow. Now what? Nothing wey Musa no go see forget. Nothing. Nothing wey Musa no go see forget to my people. I just shocktalized when I just see wait when I do that get today. But they're not they do things like that now. At least maybe they use our HQ. Now so they felt they do at that time. Now so they take bomb innocent people that time. Those 3 boys. If anytime I remember that thing, now so they pay me. And so those boys just take me that time for waiting. They don't know one, they don't know two. They just me like that. They beat them finish. Later now they come find out say these people not they innocent. Now university now they even they not be thief. Eh? What it happen to police? We not get police again for Africa. Why be say we always take law into our hands? Now we're gonna do things by ourselves. Like seriously? Like seriously? Just beat human being like that. Just they beat the girl for ground. They naked the girl. Say it's a fake alert. Go give somebody. Are you serious? It's a fake alert because of that one. I can't they beat the girl. They beat the girl. I better go yes or no for inside this phone. My husband they receive call, you know, and I have to do this video because I know we'll get chance tomorrow, you know. So I just like the thing just shocked me, like seriously, like I beg. I just want to do this video. Man, say like, take talk to people. Maybe we don't they take law into our hands again. If you not see the video, if not be say YouTube don't they like them, I will put the video here because now beating YouTube not they like all those kind of things for here. You know, anybody when they feel private chat me, I will send and give them. They say me the girl, they don't even the one the naked the girl breast don't they ground. Now just make us die remain. What did she do? What did she do rich like that? What did she do rich like that? When we see they use our HQ sometimes if they do things now. When they use our common sense. I beg, police day. Anybody do anything, anybody commit any crime, we should hand over there to police. That is why they are there for us. If you do anything, police they there to arrest the person. Why be saying now we by ourselves now? Now can't they do the things by ourselves? You're not good. You're not good at all. You're not good. People will go see this video. They go see disagree. They will see verse. They will be the verse. So it's not good. Maybe we not they take law into our hands again. And maybe we not they naked them again. It's not good. Not the naked human be like you. With the nakedness, what it cost? Now that one cause the robbery. And I want just see make us all those boys where they there. Now what I want just see be that one. And maybe we naked down. Maybe we pull the cloth. Maybe we do this. Like seriously. I beg, maybe they take this easy. I beg my people. So, my Ogbonge people, anything you think about this video, you can leave your comments for the comment section. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, go and subscribe and share this video for me. Let the video go viral. Thank you. Bye.